everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice. Like Portuguese.
E detalhado sobre o vídeo do estaborar niveles e outras funções.
3% logo नहीं मेरे चैनल को subscribe.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara
皆
mengatur
さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法。
You'll find other options too, like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! Do you wonder how I got a whole pack of cute, funny, and aesthetic emojis here? I don't just have them, I can also send animated emoji without Discord Nitro. I'll teach you everything, but before that, only 4.9% of you have subscribed, so make sure to subscribe and join my server to have a better chance of getting free Nitro. Now what's the deal here? Just invite NQN bot. I'll leave the link in the video's description. I gave the bot admin perm. You can do the same or do whatever you want, as long as the bot works for you. Now the bot has a lot of commands. I am only going to show you its Nitro feature, not the full tutorial on the bot. Let's run pack save command and then type aesthetic or any theme you want. After that, you will find a whole pack of emojis of that theme. Now mind you, my server doesn't have any emoji right now, but let's say, out of this pack, you like 1 or 2 emojis. Just click on that emoji, and it will give you an option to save. Click yes, and it will only save that one emoji. That way, you don't have to save the whole pack. As you can see, it has saved that emoji. If I click on it, it works too. But let's say, you changed your mind, and you now suddenly want to paste the whole pack. Just click Save All. It will show you a list of all the emojis. Proceed to click yes. You'll find the bot adding all the emojis, isn't that cool? Because if you add it manually, it will take you hours. Now notice it says too many emotes. That's because my server doesn't have extra emoji slots that comes as a perk for boosting the server. But if your server is boosted, you will have more slots. Not a big deal though. By the way, you can also use emojis from a different server, which is also pretty cool to be honest. Just keep one thing in mind though, that you need to enable embed links for your role or member's role. But it's up to you. Now what about the Decors and Layouts? Well, the bot doesn't give you that besides emoji packs. But it's okay, my Discord server does, so just join up. Invite link is in the description. You can see so many layout channels here and even decor ones. I'll show you how it's so simple to get what you want. Just go to search bar, select the channel name and select the theme you want. Since I've selected brown, it will show me only brown banners. It's the same with any channel, like dividers. It will show me only cottagecore since I picked that theme. And if your theme is not available here, just type .req and make your request. It will go straight to the staff channel. Isn't that super easy to get free decors and layouts? Anyway, if you like the video, hit the like and subscribe button and join my Discord server. And if you want to learn some cool 2025 tips and hacks about Discord to make your life easier, click this video. I am sure you'll learn some new stuff.